traffic lights, they are taken off.
What? Why it is off?
I don't know.
Wow. What?
That's just normal.
Okay. I'm not sure how would you go. How would you get through this?
The traffic is there coming. Take down your phone.
Okay.
Mzee wa Uber.
The chicken on the street.
This is the TV room, the sitting room.
Sitting room.
Yeah.
The kids get all together and then they have a fun and have a meal here.
Yeah. Or maybe when a guest come.
So these are the rooms for the kids,
Female kids.
female kids.
So this is where they sleep. Wanalala watu wangapi?
Wanalala watu wanne.
They sleep here.
Yeah.
How many kids?
4 kids
4 kids.
for the female. Yeah.
What are this?
Clothes. These are from volunteers. Yeah. So
It
it's very difficult to get a place where to stay because of the area. The room is too small.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are direct from the volunteers. They just put them here.
How old are they?
Wana miaka mingapi?
Miaka 6 hadi miaka 13.
6 years to 13.
So you guys have only one toilet here?
Yeah, they have
Two.
only one.
2 toilets.
One, this for ladies, one,
Okay.
and one for.
And there is no flushing system.
Yeah, lack of water.
So this is the water tank,
Yes, water storage.
kitchen.
Yeah. So yeah,
Panga
so
kweli karanga zipo. Alafu usimpigie pale pasi.
this is rice.
No, I don't think you can open it.
You see how risky it is upstairs.
Hapa tutakiwa tupate tu watu watakuwa tusaidia ili tuweze kuhama.
Yeah, it says the only solution that they need is shifting the area.
And then
That is the
shower. So which means the mosquito from here,
yeah.
and then they could get malaria here,
Yeah.
even around their house, own house. But still they can easily get malaria. Okay, but you don't have enough money. But when kids get malaria,
It's
they might
just God's help. It's just a God help.
not help.
They are not sure as like if somebody gets sick right now, where will they get the money? It's a challenge.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ndio nikaanza center ya watoto called Yoko Orphanage Center.
Which is known as York Orphanage Center.
Young council.
Yes.
So
Help the children to get education. Nyumba mbili sana mama.
we pay almost 400 Tanzanian shillings for 2 houses.
Don't you guys get any help from the center?
Umewahi kupata msaada kutoka labda World Vision, mashirika makubwa?
Not at all.
They are here to make money. You give out the money, they use them by themselves. They don't bring it to the centers. That's why when you go to any center, you still find the difficult areas, the difficult situations.
Yes.
Their life is still difficult as the same.
Ugi.
Uji.
Ui porridge. Ui. Making porridge like this. For 27 keys.
Yes.
Hey. Not enough water either, so
That is for water and lack of washing machine. There's always washing his clothes. Yeah. It is not really good and not safe.
and it's done.
Yeah,
It's done.
Because they use to wash because of lack of water. Yeah. So they usually how they work this because there are different water, and as you see there's a lot of water. So this one is a little water. How old is he? What am I 10 years.
10 years old. Ah, okay. Sing, sing. Ha 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 ha. Sing. Go ahead, sing.
Sing imba.
Yeah, she wants to sing, I think.
Yeah. Aibe. Nataka muimbe.
What about you? You want to sing?
Someone is in home. So she defends the light from the outside.
Anybody know this English? This one. Anybody knows? Yes. No. You shouldn't do that. No. Oh, anybody can tell me what it is? Oh. Wow. Come on. Oh. What about this? No, don't do that. Don't touch my. Oh, she's so strong. Are you asking me? So hard for me. Sorry. Okay. That one? Horse. Oh. No, that's tiger. Oh, you know better. Wow. What about this? No?
Ni Korea, so Mchina. Watu kaangalia wanasema msema Mchina, so Mchina, ni Korea, sawa? Yeah.
아싸한테? 그냥 한국말로 할게요. 못 알아들어도 괜찮으니까 제 말로 할게요. 그냥 제일 잘 전달하고 싶어서. 아싸한테?
Can you say it in English?
English?
Yeah, can you say it in English?
Okay. So, as you know, I'm from Korea, and then
Anasema anatokea Korea.
and then I'm really happy to see you today.
Anafuraha sana kuwaona leo.
Yes. And then I don't know how to express, but I can see you guys are really happy, and it's nice. You guys have a nice smiling.
Hajui jinsi gani ya kuelezea, lakini naona mna furaha na mnatabasamu.
Of course you're happy, but I really want to make you happier.
Anajua kabisa mna furaha, lakini anatamani aongezee furaha ndani yenu.
Yes. I'm really a small person. I'm not really nothing, but
Yeye ni mtu mdogo,
you're happy enough, but happier.
anaweza akasaidia nyinyi mkaongeza furaha yenu.
Amen. 광민. Yeah, 광민.
Amen.
광민?
My name is Anderson.
Anderson.
Yes.
Oh, Anderson. That's Miss Anderson. Do you know what's the name of the character is?
I don't know.
Pikachu. Say Pikachu.
Pikachu.
Pikachu. That's my favorite. And then SpongeBob. SpongeBob. Can you say SpongeBob?
SpongeBob.
Sema SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
Yeah, cool. SpongeBob.
Usiogope, tune. Kami msalimie tu kwa Kiingereza. Afternoon now. Yes.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
My name is Agnes Sai.
Agnes Sai. Oh, Agnes Sai.
Yes.
Kwangmin. Nice to meet you. Agnes Sai. Thank you. Asante. Okay. Kwangmin. Thank you. Thank you. Hi.